Welcome to our World Traveler YouTube channel. In this video, I will share with you all the detailed information such as where and how to go to Elmadag Ski Center, Elmadag sled rental prices, entrance fee, ski equipment prices, accommodation, what to eat and drink, Elmadag Ski Track and ski lessons. Please don't forget to support us by subscribing to our channel before moving on to the video. Of course, among the most popular activities of winter tourism, skiing is at the top of the list. Elmadag Ski Center is one of the main ski resorts in Turkey. Elmadag Ski Center, located in Ankara, has become a frequent destination especially for professional skiers with its challenging and steep tracks. If you ask where Elmadag Ski Center is, it is located within the borders of Ankara. The ski center is located on the northern slope of Elmadag district. This region, where the snow thickness reaches 50 to 60 centimeters, receives continuous precipitation in the winter season. Travel agencies that organize sightseeing tours to this region or a personal car can be preferred to go to Elmadag Ski Center. You can reach Elmadag Ski Center with the sign next to Elmadağ Shopping Center. By following this road, you can pass over the Ring Road and enter the Abdul Village Road. By following the signs for Elmadag Ski Center, you will arrive at the ski center. The distance between the Ring Road and Elmadag Ski Center is 20 kilometers. There is no public transport from the city center to go to Elmadag Ski Center. You can only come to Abdul Village with 366 number bus of EGO. When to go to Elmadag Ski Center? For those who are interested in skiing, Elmadag ski season is between January and March. In this period when snowfall is dominant, the facility is made suitable for sports activities. Of course, before going to Elmadag Ski Center, you should definitely get information about the snow thickness and whether it is open or closed. Sometimes it can be closed because there is not enough snow. If you are thinking of going to Elmadag Ski Center, the ideal hours are between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. The entrance to Elmadag Ski Center is free, and no money is charged for the parking lot. You only pay for your rented sleigh, food and drink. The car park closest to the center has about 20 to 30 parking spaces, so if you didn't go early, I recommend that you never enter that traffic with your car. When we look at the features of Elmadag Ski Center track, we can say that if you do not have a background in skiing before, this is the place for you. The slope of Elmadag Ski Center, which has a main track length of 400 meters and a width of 500 to 600 meters, is not very high. This naturally leads to a more comfortable ski track feature. Chairlift lovers are also considered in the facility. There are two chairlifts with a length of 350 and 600 meters. However, it was faulty in 2022. I hope it is working now. Considering snowboard lovers, these facilities also include areas with uncleared piles of snow. Our recommendation for those who want to sledding would be to choose the sections that are close to haystack houses. This area is both quieter and calmer, and a much more suitable location for sledding. The prices of the ski lifts connected to the cable car group in Elmadag Ski Center are 5 exits ski pass 19 TL, 10 exits ski pass 36 TL, 15 exits ski pass 48 TL, 20 exits ski pass 58 TL. Of course, you can get information by calling +90 551 064 62 69 phone numbers for current prices. Elmadag Ski Center ski equipment rental prices are ski equipment 100 TL. Snowboard it can vary between 60 and 90 TL. For those who want to ski for the first time, there are ski instructors in the region. Without going to Kartakia or Elmadag, you can get a few hours of cheap training in Elmadag and start getting used to the slopes and skiing. Prices for ski training lessons will also be very affordable compared to famous ski resorts. Elmadag Ski Center private ski lesson fee is for one person, 1 hour, 200 TL, 2 people, 250 TL, 3 people 275 TL, 4 people 300 TL, 5 people 350 TL. As accommodation in Elmadag Ski Resort, there are ski houses belonging to AT University, Hacettepe, Ankara University and the General Directorate of Youth Sports. There are also Turban Hotel and 2 private restaurants. Total number of beds 33. The hotel has an indoor swimming pool, sauna, discotheque and restaurant. In addition to these, chairlift and cafeteria belonging to the Air Force Command provide service. What to eat in Elmadag Ski Center? Sausage bread is the most enjoyable food eaten on snow. Here, there are many cafes and small businesses on the left and right. In addition to sausage bread, there are also options such as meatballs and chicken. The average prices of sausage and bread in Elmadag Ski Resort are 25 to 30 TL. You can also drink salep, coffee or tea with your meals. Their prices are 10 TL for cola, 5 TL for tea, 10 TL for salep and coffee. In other words, the prices in Elmadag Ski Center are quite affordable. When we look at the activities to be done in Elmadag, you can sled, ski with your ski gear, and ride a horse. Horse riding price is 30 TL. They take you around the mountain for an average of 5 minutes. You can also have a meal in the surrounding businesses, have a nice drink by the stove and have a nice pleasure. Finally, my advice to you, there is a lot of traffic on the roads. In order to prevent this, it would be good to go early and return early. At the entrance to the ski center, there are 7 to 8 covered barbecue areas in the place where the car is parked. If you come early, you can hang out in these places and have a barbecue in the mountain view. You can write your comments that you want to add in the comments section. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good time in advance. See you next video.